What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be working skip the dishes from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Come along for the ride and stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. This is my first time ever working with skip the dishes this early, so I have no idea if it's gonna be busy, slow or not. Are we gonna make any money? No idea. But the only way we could find out is to give it a try, right? And finger crossed. And guys, leave a comment down below. Share your experience in the gig world. Start your shift. Here we go. 7 a.m. Crazy. I'm not a morning person. Matching orders. Early morning visitor. Hello. Where are you going? I got my first one right at 7:01. $7, 3.3 kilometers. That's a good start, right? Swipe deliver. And the time is 7:15. Took me 15 minutes to pick it up and drop it off. Not bad, right? Deliver my second order. $7 for 5.2 kilometers. McDonald's number 2. There we go. Accept. Swipe to deliver. Nothing. So this is a McDonald's order again. $7 for 6.4 kilometers. I think it's gonna be all McDonald's, Tim Hortons, Starbucks, 7-Eleven. Right? Yeah, because most of the restaurants open at 11. Deliver order. Okay, the time is 8:16 and $28 right now. But now it starts raining, so should be more busy, right? Start raining. I'm here to drop off.
Yeah, just give it to me.
I'll give it to you.
Yeah, just let me know the
Name
and room number. Give it
Okay,
to me.
so you good? Okay, make sure to get the food, right?
Yeah, they will.
Why they don't allow to go in? No?
Nobody's allowed in there.
Oh, okay. Alright,
Thank you.
428, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, this last delivery I couldn't go into the hotel because COVID-19, so I gave the food to the security. Finger crossed, hopefully customer get their food. Swipe to deliver at Tim's. $42 and the time is 9:14. So far I did $7, all sevens. 7 sevens. I don't think you're gonna have any big tips because it's all breakfast sandwich and burger, donut, Tim Hortons, egg muffin. I didn't get any Starbucks. I don't know what's happened there. Or you know what? Maybe Skip the Dishes doesn't have Starbucks. So this one is $7.99 for 5.5 kilometers. $7.99. Not 7. I'll accept that one. Another Tim Hortons order. I'm here to deliver.
Yeah, you can park over there and bring it inside.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks. So this is another Tim's. $7 for 6.7 kilometers. And I'm right back to 100% acceptance rate. I was at 80 when I started. Swipe to collect. Let's see how far this customer is. I think it's gonna be a far drive. 8 minutes. Whoa. 8 minutes, 5.1 kilometers. I think that's the farthest drive for the day so far. $56.99 and the time is 10:05, around $18 an hour. Last hour I'm looking at $25, so then we'll be around $20 an hour, hopefully. So this order is $7 for 0.9 kilometers. It's getting really slow, I think. Well, it's coming on close to lunch hours. I don't know why it gets slow, right? McDonald's, I'm right in the parking lot here. Whoa, I'm getting hungry. Deliver. I don't think I'm gonna make that $25 for the last hour. Not looking good. So I park at the McDonald's, hoping. Because Popeye's open at 11. Joey's open at 11. Joey's Seafood open at 11. When you work in the breakfast hours, don't expect big tips. So this is another McDonald's order. $7 for 2.7 kilometers. And this might be my last one. I'm hungry. Gonna go have breakfast at 11 a.m. I'm supposed to have lunch, not breakfast. Order was my last drop off and the time is 10:45. I'm gonna work 3 hours and 45 minutes. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Okay, so the total is $70.99. I had 10 deliveries and all of them are $7. The highest tip was this one, $7.99. Customer tip $4. And there's 3 orders that have no tip. No tip on this one. This one a $2 tip, $3 tip. Another one with no tip. Another one with no tip. So $70.99 minus $7 for gas give us $63.99 divided by 3 hours and 45 minutes equal $17.06. Not bad, right? $17.06 with one app, breakfast hours. Could have done better because the last 45 minutes was a kind of a bust. Only 2 orders. There's nothing you could do about it. It is what it is. But I'm happy with $17.06 and I'll take it to the bank. Again, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.